It would be impossible to live without music. The radio is in our cars, in our homes, even in our smartphones. Many computers come with integrated FM radio. Surprisingly, others lack it, but if this is the case, there are several applications that solve this problem and with which you can enjoy the best radio stations from your smartphone. TuneIn Radio. It is the most famous application and one of the most popular. There you can find the best radio stations around the world, having the possibility to choose the category and genre of your choice. This application has more than 100,000 stations. Not being little, gives you access to an infinity of podcasts and audiobooks. Simple Radio. A very easy way to listen to a wide variety of music or radio news. It has a very simple interface. It only has 2 tabs, one of favorites and another of recommendations, that offers the most listened to FM and AM stations in your country. It also has a search option to discover new stations from around the world. Django Radio. Despite not having a very worked interface, it has good audio quality even though its connection is not very fast. You can change songs from the lock screen and use the application on the desktop. In addition, examine the user's musical tastes intelligently and then gather albums or playlists with songs from similar artists. By clicking on the playback option, you can access the artist's biography and disc information. Accurate. On the one hand, it has more than 1,000 channels. It also allows you to customize each of your stations, from changing the song to tapping them. You can block those songs and/or artists that are not of your liking. In this way, you can reach a point where you will only listen to music that you really like.